Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is CYNTHIA ELEWUWA. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. Love you. On today's video, I'm going to be showcasing some makeup items. Oh my god, it's been a while I've done this, or I did this. It's been a while I did makeup. It's been over a year since I touched makeup on my face. Would you believe that? Motherhood is motherhooding. I've not seen road. Your girl has not seen road since I gave birth to this my baby here. He's here with me. You can't see him because his chair is sitting lower than mine. Of course, I'm a big girl. But anyways, yeah, on today's video I'm going to be showing you guys some makeup products that I got. Some are trendy, some are not so trendy, but I'm sure you guys know all of them. I bought them because I thought I would be needing them for my makeup tutorials, since I've decided to come back to my craft, to something I'm passionate about. They are new. I've not used them before. I don't know how they are. I don't know how they're going to turn out to be, but I've seen reviews, I've seen videos of people who have used them before, and they all said they are good. So I'm gonna be doing that today, and of course we're gonna beat this face. Anyways, welcome back to my channel and thank you for stopping by. Let's get into it. So the first product I'm gonna be trying is this contact lens. This contact lens, I got it from Lazada. I think Lazada, no, either Lazada or TikTok. I don't even know again. It's been so long. But this one I've used normally, but I haven't used it for content. So I'll wear it now. Let's see how it is. And in case you don't know how to wear your contact lens, just stick to this video. I'm going to show you how to do it in 1, 2, 3. Let's go. So this brand is called Magister. As you can see, this is called Magister, as you can see, and this is in the shade Queen Amber. As you can also see, it's a colorless contact lenses, but it's powered because this one is powered because of my eyes. So yeah, let's get into it. This is what this looks like. I just opened it up and comes with the contact lenses and of course the container where you put in the contact lens after you're done wearing for the day. So this one is monthly contact lens, meaning after 1 month I have to dish it away. I have to throw it away. This is how it looks like when you buy it. It doesn't have right or left, but anyone you choose as your right and left should continue being your right and left when you start wearing it. Once you start wearing it, you don't have to change left to right or right to left, at some point wearing this. So once you choose any side, you have to use this container. So it's written L and F, if you can see, meaning anyone you have started wearing as your left should continue being on your left. Whichever one is on your right should also continue to be on your right. That is why they made this container this way, so that you can be able to identify which is left and which is right. So I'm going to open it up right now. You guys are seeing my assistant here, right? I wonder how I'm going to do this today with him awake, fully awake and bothering my life. I already have this lens container before, so actually I'm not going to be putting it in because I already have, and it has the solution in it. But this one I'm just going to wear it straight away. I don't need to put it in the solution because it's a new one. So after wearing it, and when I want to remove it, then I can now put it in the solution. Before you start wearing your contact lens, you must wash your hands and make sure they are properly washed. We don't want any dirt in our eyes. If not, it might cause irritation. I'm just going to dip my hand into this. If you can see, it has the solution in it, right? So it's like a whatever solution that they put in there. So I'm going to dip my hand because my hands are properly washed. I've already washed my hands. Now I'm going to find the front, of which I think I'm already holding it at the front. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Yeah, that is what it looks like. So I'm just going to pop it. Let's assume that I'm taking this as my right. So this is going to continue to be my right as long as I wear this contact lens until I throw them away. So I open up my eyes and then I put it and roll my eyes so that it will set into where it's supposed to be. Now that one is in. As you can see, you might feel a little bit irritation, which is normal, but anything out of the ordinary then is definitely not normal. Sometimes when you wear it, if it keeps irritating you, then it means that maybe you're wearing the wrong side of it, which I'm still trying to see if this one has settled. But if it continues, then I'm going to remove it and turn to the other side of it. So I'm going to turn to the other side, because sometimes if you're not wearing the right side, your eyes might feel irritated. So I turn to the other side of it, and I'm going to repeat the same thing. I'm okay, boo boo. I think I'm still feeling the irritation. But this side feels more comfortable than the first side. But let's see. Now that that one is in, I'm going to go ahead and put on the second one, which is already here. So I'm going to dip my hand in it and bring it out and repeat basically the same process. When I wore this one, it actually irritated my eye for a bit, but I had to dip it into my solution. Then it got better. That's what I'm doing now. The same process. I'm dipping it into the solution and I'm gonna wear it. So let's see if that's the reason why I felt irritated. Okay, so this one is not irritating me. Now that one is in. So what do you do with this? Nothing. You throw it away because you're not gonna need them anymore. Boo boo, quiet. So that is how you wear your contact lens. As you can see, my eyes are ready for makeup. You know, I love wearing contact lenses for makeup because there's something about it. It makes your eyes pop, makes your eye look pop. So I don't know if there's any difference, but yeah. For any irritation you might feel after putting on the contact lenses, just give it a few minutes and everything will be okay. Just like my eyes, in a few minutes now, everything will be okay. Without much ado, let's delve into the makeup. I can't wait to see the beat I'm gonna come up with today.